Hello everyone, I'm Claire Chen. I work in Avalue Technology and responsible for compact box PC.
Hi everyone, I'm Hsiao from Avalue Technology and also from Embedded Computing Division. So today we are going to give you an overall concept and insight of compact box PC series and also some case study sharing. So let's jump into the topic. So I believe in last video, our manager Drew has given you guys the concept and the overall introduction of a compact box PC division. And the product could be divided into 5 different categories, and which are the compact system, a modular system, expandable system, and also vertical market system. And all these products are standard version 1, but we are also good at OEM and ODM customer service. However, today we are not going to emphasize on the product. We are going to focus on the compact box PC, which are EPC and NUC series. And let's have Claire to give us the more insight of the series. Claire.
Okay, please look to the right side of the slide. The EPC series is with Avalue family look and positioned to industrial applications, such like a mini server, control unit. So EPC features wide temperature, wide voltage, and flexible I/O expansion for harsh environment. Next, let's come to the left side for the NUC series. NUC series is our new product line. As you may know the NUC product from Intel. From our understanding, it's not required to design for industrial application, which means there's no product longevity support. Besides, the function design of input and output is not so suited for industrial use. The reason I say this is because the Intel NUC with a fan inside, no serial port, and no TPM support neither. On the other hand, Avalue NUC series, it is not only fanless design, support longevity product in life cycle, but also fulfill customers' variety requests to semi-industrial application. Avalue NUC series is with basic I/O interface, but it's smaller to palm size. Furthermore, it's also with extra accessories such like DIN rail and VESA kit and make the system has high CP value. Let's move on the next introduction. Here, I would like to introduce platform overview for compact box PC. As you can see, the EPC and NUC series are designed with wide-range Intel family processor, from entry-level such like Bay Trail and Upper Lake, to high-end Core such as Skylake and Whiskey Lake. The coming new platform, Elka Lake and Tiger Lake, will also be developed in the near future. The next presentation will focus on EPC Skylake U, and NUC APL with different case studies.
Thanks, Claire, for the overall insight and the concept of EPC and the NUC for the compact box series. That is very detailed. And also we have the overall concept of the roadmap of this series, also the next generation of the development. So as far as I know that this kind of compact box series could be applied to many different kind of application. So such as retail and medical and also transportation and so on could be applied to this compact box PC series. So in this slide, I saw a CT scanner in this project. So it seems that it's in a clinic or a medical or a hospital. So Claire, please give us more insights of this project.
Okay, in this case, we work with medical company in Asia. The customer requires not only an ultra small system with 3 displays. One must be DVI to be installed in the CT scanner, but also support longevity life cycle. Besides, the system must prevent the power surge noise by the computer screen to dissipate underground. Furthermore, in order to fulfill easy maintenance for power supply, so we propose NUC APL as a solution.
I see, Claire. So this is for the standard version 1, right? So is there any customization that is different from a standard version in this project?
This is not standard version. We did make some customization for this application. First of all, one power reset switch with finish type connector for control power on off remotely. Secondary, one ground pin to lead extra current to the ground, and the RTC service windows is help to swap RTC battery easily. Moreover, the BIOS modification is for security setting. We at Avalue are here to solve customers' pain and fulfill customers' requirement.
All right. Thanks, Claire, for the medical project in this case study. So let's move on to the next one. We have retail parts. And living in an AIoT world that more and more devices demand in different applications is increasing day by day. So the labor shortage has become more serious in every service and every applications. And also make it difficult for the business to maintain the conventional service. So in other words, that the lack of the human resource for cleaning and security and also guidance operation is being remarkable and necessary. So the need for the replacements of robots is increasing. So Claire, what does we Avalue can really offer to deal with this problem in this such case?
Yes, to solve the trend of labor shortage, our customer developed a complex service robot that supports clean, security, and guidance. The robot with an automatic recharging function so can operate continuously day and night without any delay in work. In addition, the robot can automatically avoid people and obstacles. It can operate during the hours when people go through the facility. For example, in a retail store, the system can clean the store in the morning when there are fewer people, patrol the store at night, and announce information to customers on display in front of the robot during business hours. In order to meet the requirements of multiple functions, our customer adopt EPC Skylake U and EPC APL. The EPC APL is responsible for the monitoring function on the camera, displaying of various guides and advertisement on the screen. EPC Skylake U is responsible for other functions, such like optical sensing, automatic operation of robots.
All right, thanks, Claire. That is very clear for the retail case study. And I believe that in the future that the robots in requirements will be increasing day by day. So I believe that our Avalue solution could be helpful for the business and also helpful for our customer.
Yes, you can contact us anytime. If you have a similar request, we still have another application, transportation. Let's listen to Jerry's introduction.
Thanks, Claire, for the case study for retail and medical parts. Also, I would like to give you guys more insight of transportation case study. All right, so in this page, you can see here in transportation as a dynamic signal control system in Taipei City, especially in Xinyi District area that we work with Taipei City Department of Transportation. So in this project, we have EPC APL as an AI box. Its main job is to collect all the traffic flow data and do the AI deep learning. What it brings us to us, it can help us to collect traffic alert prediction and also the pedestrian safety and also obstruction detection and so on.
Jerry, it sounds like an amazing solution. Could you let us know how it works?
All right, so it not only helps us to reduce 10 to 15% of a traffic flow reduction and also help us to reduce about 85% of our communication cost. And moreover is that it helps us to collect all the traffic flow data for the Department of Transportation in Taipei City to do another analysis. So you guys maybe wonder, and how does it work anyway? So in this page, you can see here as a functional diagram here. So at first, you can see a first AI box. We just named it EPC APL. It has to combine with a smart camera to do the AI obstruction detection and behavior identification and do the AI deep learning. So the second one is EMS Skylake U, this compact box. It just collects all the data and collect all the information from the first AI box and transmits all the information through 4G and 5G to the cloud service to let us to do the big data analysis and the deep learning. So what if all the function and what if all the benefits I just mentioned before will not longer be anymore due to the crash down and facing downtime? So there's no 10 to 15 cost reduction and also 85% of communication cost. It will not longer work anymore. Instead, we have to send our engineer and the repairman to the site to do the maintenance and repairments. And what if the site is not in Taipei cities, like far away from our office, like in Kaohsiung, or even overseas in mainland China, or US, Europe, all over the world? It is not possible for us to send an engineer to the sites to do the repair because all the transportation costs and all the human resource costs will be added up to the incredible numbers. And this is not what our business and what our customer would like to see. So we here Avalue has the solution we call the RS2 to help our customer and help our business to solve the problem and deal with the pain. So if you like learn more about this solution, you can refer to the below link. And also I have another episode that discussing more about RS2 solutions. All right, thank you guys. This is pretty much about today's episode. So I would like to do some recap and refresh and make some conclusion to make you guys know more about compact box PC solutions. So we have some case study about retail, medical, and also transportation for your reference. So I will have Claire to help us to do some benefits conclusion and also how to choosing the series. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Jerry. Let me summarize the feature of compact box PC. First, harsh environment. Some systems are required to apply in such like limited space, high and low temperature. Box PC with fanless design is not only can make the size smaller, but also stronger resistance of shock and vibration. Avalue fanless compact box PC has this advantage, such as wide temperature from small size to pound size for limited space. Secondary, budget-oriented. If the project has budget constriction, Avalue compact box PC is Avalue in ready-made board, tooling-made mechanician, and multiple mounting kit. This can save extra cost. Not only this, the compact box PC has the advantage of high performance and low power consumption. Avalue always provides the cost-effective solution and offer aggressive price to customers. Furthermore, customization. Avalue provides the flexibility to make hardware modification, such like I/O expansion, and software changes, such like BIOS and OS for different applications. Next, continuous supply. Avalue offers product life cycle 10 to 15 years and also provide build-to-order service, even after the product is end of life. This can help with customer to avoid frequency to do product changes.
All right, so this is pretty much the end of our episode and video. If you have any question about compact box PC, please don't hesitate to reach us. And if you like our video, just give us a like and keep subscribing us. Let's see you in the next episode. I am Jerry Hsiao.
I'm Claire Chen.
See you.